Topic 4, number 2. Refers difficult situation to an appropriate person. When facing a difficult situation, it's important to reach out to an appropriate person to help and support. This person could be trusted friends, family member, mentor, counselor, therapist, or any other professional who can provide guidance and assistance. It's essential to choose someone whom you trust and feel comfortable opening up to.
Topic 4, number 3. Apply appropriate procedures to the situation. Expected standard of behavior of customers. Establish clear guidance for acceptable behavior such as respecting staff and other patrons. Refraining from disruptive conduct and adhering to any dress code policies. A list of this not to be served alcohol. Maintain a list of individuals who are not to be served alcohol due to legal reasons. Individuals are already intoxicated or those with a specific medical condition. Limit for cocktails and shot or shotters. Implement responsible serving practices by setting limits on the number of alcoholic beverages served for customer, monitoring intoxication levels, and offering non-alcoholic alternatives.
Seek information on department guests for manual system. Gather information from other departments before processing checkout. You may need to obtain information from the food and beverage department and or from the housekeeping department. Ensure all in-house function charges are posted on the guest accounts. In-house function may include higher fees for projectors, projector lecterns, and speaker as well as charges for food and beverage supply. Check for accuracy. Check supporting document against the actual posted charges. In short, you need to gather relevant information and to ensure that client have the information in a relevant place.
Topic 4. Reconciling financial transaction at the end of the shift. Segregate inaccurate, count cash, cash equivalents and non-cash documents, notes and coins are always counted first, followed by non-cash transactions and then by all other transactions. For example, vouchers, posting charges, and other financial transactions. Same type non-cash transactions are added together and the total are entered into the appropriate space on the summary sheet. Double check the information as you complete reconciliation. For example, check appropriate authorization on all bank card transactions such as signatures and valid dates, and personal checks are reviewed and documentation for payment account is complete. Balance of computer system and sum of cash and non-cash transactions are accurately determined, tallied and balances to balance add the total of each group of cash and non-cash transactions on the cash summary sheet. To arrive the individual's balances, to arrive an overall total for the register or terminal add all the individual balances.
Number 4. Project and process transactions. Reconciliation is the process of comparing transactions and activity to supporting documentation. Number 5. Close cashier's accounts properly. The process of comparing the two cash on hand to the recorded cash transaction.